Hi friends, welcome to Jupiter's collection. My name is Kavita and I am from Mumbai. I have some rare scarce coins for you all today, but video will be little longer because I don't make video every day. Let's start. 2002 Kolkata Mint 5 rupees, UNC condition 100. Asian Games BU condition Mumbai 200. 25th anniversary Kolkata Mint UNC condition 200 rupees each. Nehru Mumbai Mint Hindi legend 100 rupees, English legend 200 rupees. Grow More Food Mumbai Mint UNC 200. 2000 Noida Mint 200. 95 and 96 set 300 rupees. Indira Gandhi Mumbai Mint UNC 100. 95 Noida 100. 95 Noida 5 rupees 200, very scarce coin. 2000 Noida 200. 2002 Noida Mint BU condition 300. 2004 Hyderabad Mint UNC 200. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Kolkata Mint UNC 200. 65 Hyderabad Mint 10 paise rare coin. One is 400, one is 300. If you take both, 600 rupees. Rare coin this is. Mahatma Gandhi Mumbai Mint UNC 50 paise 200. 10 paise single mint 76 Kolkata 300 UNC condition. Rainfed Farming Mumbai Mint UNC, very scarce coin, only for 300. Water for Life UNC Kolkata Mint 300. Plant Family Mumbai Mint BU 200. Supreme Court BU Mumbai 300. Commonwealth Games Hyderabad BU 200. Arbindo Kolkata BU 400. Nehru Hindi legend Kolkata Mint 100. English legend Kolkata Mint 200. 1990 Dabbu coin UNC condition Hyderabad Mint. This is this condition only. Please check it and buy. Only for 400. 1990 Noida Mint 200. Bolu Hyderabad Mint. This is off center Bolu, rare coin off center. You can see the off center here, only for 500 rupees, just 100 rupees more. UNC condition this is. Tamil Conference AUNC condition, this is for 400 with the die crack. Here the die crack is there, yeah, front and back. AUNC condition, this is for 300. AUNC condition, this is also, no, this is for 400. 2006 Noida Mint BU condition, very scarce coin, this is for 400. Commonwealth Games Noida Mint BU condition 200. Sant Dhaneshwar Mumbai Mint UNC 200. Cellular Jail Mumbai UNC 200. Quit India Kolkata UNC 400. Tourism Year BU Mumbai, very scarce coin, only for 400. FAO AUNC condition Mumbai Mint 300. Shama Prasad Mukherjee Kolkata Mint UNC condition, very scarce coin, 500. Santa Tukaram Noida Mint UNC 300. This is a rare lion variety, 94 Noida, rare, 500 rupees. One more is there, same 94 Noida, 400 rupees. If you want to take both, I give it for 800 rupees, otherwise it becomes 900. Very rare coin that is. World Food Day, Hyderabad Mint, extra fine condition, 300. This is one set. Patel with the proper mint mark, Noida Mint, rare coin. And Arbindo, Noida Mint, AUNC condition. Supreme Court, AUNC condition, Noida Mint. All for 1000 rupees. Very good offer. Otherwise it becomes 1200 rupees. All three you can take it for 1000 rupees. Shastri, Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, Lal Bahadur Shastri, 300. Mother's Health, Noida Mint, 400. This is extra fine, Mother's Health. And AUNC, Mumbai Mint, Mother's Health, 500. If you want to take both, just for 700 rupees, otherwise this becomes 900. Both set for 700 rupees. Small family, Mumbai Mint, BU condition. This is for 500. Small family, UNC condition, for 400. Happy Child, UNC condition. This comes with a mild luster only. You can see both are same luster. This is for 500. Each 500 rupees. Biodiversity, Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, very scarce coin, 600 rupees. Food and Environment, UNC condition, very scarce coin, 600. Youth Year, AUNC condition, Kolkata Mint and one Mumbai Mint, both are AUNC condition. If it is take, the single coin is 200 rupees, set is for 300 rupees. Cellular Gel, Noida Mint, very scarce coin, 300 rupees. 2004 Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, scarce coin, only for 300. Biodiversity, Mumbai Mint, BU condition, 400. Youth Year, Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, 400. 82 Dabbu coin, BU condition, Kolkata Mint, 200 rupees each. Mother's Health, Noida Mint, UNC condition, 1800. Ambedkar, Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, 500. Girl Child, Hyderabad Mint, very scarce, almost rare coin. This is 500 rupees, extra fine condition. Tamil Conference, Hyderabad Mint, BU condition. See the luster, disc effect, 800 rupees. Food for Future, Kolkata Mint, face also almost clear only. This always comes flat face. UNC condition for 800. FAO, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 700. Kamraj, Hyderabad Mint, BU condition, 400. World Food Day, Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, 900. BU condition, Noida Mint, Tamil Conference, 700. Ekam 21, Hyderabad Mint, BU condition, 500. Water for Life, UNC condition, Hyderabad Mint, 800. Quit India, Kolkata, BU Mint, BU condition, 800. Small Pharma, BU condition, Mumbai Mint, 400. ILO, Noida Mint, UNC condition, 800. IC days Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition 700. Small family Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition 800. UNC condition, this is early strike. Why early strike? Because you can see these dots doesn't get printed, and this nozzle, nose, see the nose, you can see the nostril. This side, this is the early strike. Before it struck when it was not flat, and after that this nose comes flat. Jagat Guru Mumbai Mint, very scarce coin, only for 800. See the lion, clear lion, everything is clear, dots, everything is legend, dots, everything is clear. You don't get to see clear nose. It's a clear nose variety, 800 rupees. Water for life, B lion, AUNC condition, this is, see the condition, rare coin, Mumbai Mint, only for 1000 rupees. See the luster. This is normal coin price I am giving. Mumbai Mint sells only BU condition 800, 700, 800 like that. This is a B lion, very rare coin. You can check in the book also, least rare variety. Mother's Health, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, first 800 rupees, less than the book price. And this is 1200 rupees. Both are UNC, but this is more luster, this is just slight less luster. This is 800, this is 1200. 1947 Lahore Mint, rare coin, UNC condition, only for 1400 rupees. ILO Hyderabad, BU condition with the clear mint mark, only for 1600. United Nation, UNC condition, Mumbai Mint, 700. ILO Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 500. You want the set, you can take for 1000 rupees. Other single coin 700, and this is 500. 1965 Calcutta Mint, very strong ghost image. You can see the ghost image. See the 25. This 25 is come here. See this. This is a normal coin price I am giving, 400 rupees. I am not charging much for the error. Subhash Chandra Bose, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 700. This has a ghost image. Here the ghost image, full ghost image is there, only for 700. Subhash Chandra Bose, Mumbai Mint, BU condition, this is for 700, normal coin. Care for Girl Child, UNC condition, rare coin, security edge variety, only for 500 rupees. See the security edge. Normal coin price I am giving it 500 rupees. World Food Day Calcutta Mint, UNC condition, 900. Forestry Calcutta Mint, gem UNC condition, 900. Forestry Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, 900. Maharana Pratap, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, rare coin, plus with the test mark. See here the test mark. You can see on the there is a test mark here. This rare coin, this is normal coin only sells for 1100, 1200, only 200 more for test mark, only 1400 rupees. 1962 Calcutta Mint, UNC condition, this is for only 1200 rupees. This is in the sleeves, and this one is there. This is UNC plus condition, UNC plus condition, only for 1500 rupees. Agri Expo Calcutta Mint, UNC condition, rare coin with clear lion. You can see the lion, only for 1800 rupees. Youth Year Mumbai Mint, BU condition, 600. This is 2 Anna 1910 rare coin with the ghost image, clear details plus ghost image. There is a head, ghost image is there. I don't know, you all can see. I'm trying to show you all. Only for 1500 rupees, as it is a rare coin. 1943 Mumbai Mint, UNC condition. Very scarce coin this is. Only for 1600 rupees. Silver price is gone up. Khadi village error, BU condition, rare coin plus ghost image is there here. Only for 1800 rupees. Error plus 2 error is there. Village error plus ghost image error, double error. Only for 1800 rupees, BU condition. Moscow Mint, F lion, AUNC condition. See the luster. Only for 3000 rupees, very rare lion variety this is. 45 UNC condition, Mumbai Mint. 1000 rupees with mild rotation. Only for 1000 rupees. 1988 AUNC condition, Noida Mint, rare coin. 2200 rupees. See the clear line. Small Farmers, Kolkata Mint, rare coin. UNC condition, just for 1000 rupees. Some silver coins. Mumbai Mint, Mahatma Gandhi, BU condition. 2000. 25th anniversary, UNC, Mumbai Mint. 2500. 1911 Kolkata Mint. This is 4200 and 1911 Kolkata Mint. This is for 1800 rupees. This is 1/4 Anna and this is 1 rupees. If you take separate, this is 1800 and this is 4200. If you take both, I'll give for 5500 rupees. 2 rare coins for 5500. 500 rupees discount. $25 1965 Kolkata Mint, 100. 1959 Mumbai, 200. 1967 C, 200. 57 C, 300. 59 C, 200. 60 B, 100. There is some half rupees. 1956 Kolkata, 200. 1956 Kolkata, 200. 54 Kolkata, this is a UNC, 1000. See the condition. These 50 pieces all UNC and some are extra fine. It will be written extra fine. Otherwise these are all UNC condition. In this BU doesn't come because they all used to come in the bags, Goni bag. You know that Goni bag, brown color. They used to fill everything in that and then they used to send. So they used to touch each other and get scratched. So they never come in BUNC. They only UNC, you can say. They are UNC condition. 62B, 200. 69B, 300. 62C, this is extra fine. See, I wrote here. But this is a very rare coin, means not very rare, just rare coin you don't get easily. So extra fine is 200. 67B, 300. 62B, 200. 61B, 200. 63B, 200. And some lion variety I have. Arbindo lion set, Kolkata Mint. This is C lion, D lion. Check the lion so you all can understand. This is a flat chested. This is little like a 3D. C lion and D lion. Only for 700 rupees. UNC condition set. This is Bolu. This is not lion set. This is the error set. Ghost image error is there. Both the coins having the ghost image. Hope you all can see. I'm trying to show you all. See there. There you can see elephant's back is there and holding the lamp here also. This is only for 500 normal coin price. This is set is for 500, and this is the Vasveshwara lion set. You can see one 3D type lion and this is a flat type of lion. Small lion and big lion. This is 1970 Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, just for 400 rupees. This also I am giving as a normal coin price only 200 rupees more. Otherwise I sell this for 100 rupees each. Lion set. This is B lion and C lion. See the B lion. This is Noida Mint. Very scarce coins. Only for 800 rupees set. UNC set. That's 1 second. This one is there. This is Calcutta Mint. Youth years there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6. And Calcutta. This is Noida, I think. And this is, I don't know, mint. I can't see so much. So this is all for 500 rupees. 10 coins for 500 rupees. AUNC2 extra fine type condition. You can see luster. That's all for today, friends. Thank you for watching. See you again.